everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly exciting lined up for you. We've scoured Amazon to find the most amazing home appliance gadgets that will take your home to the next level. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest discoveries. Now, let's get started. 1. Smart Refrigerator Organizer. First up, say goodbye to the chaos in your refrigerator with this smart refrigerator organizer. It syncs with your smartphone, allowing you to keep track of your groceries in real time. No more forgetting to restock on essentials. Plus, it even suggests recipes based on the items you have. How cool is that? 2. Robot Vacuum with AI technology. Tired of spending hours cleaning your floors? Enter the Robot Vacuum with AI technology. This little genius learns the layout of your home, ensuring every nook and cranny is spotless. You can even schedule cleanings from your phone. Cleaning has never been this easy. 3. Smart Thermostat. Now let's talk about comfort. This smart thermostat not only adjusts the temperature to your liking, but also learns your habits over time. It can even sense when you're away and optimize energy usage. A must-have for a cozy and efficient home. 4. Instant Pot with smart cooking features. Cooking enthusiasts, listen up. The Instant Pot just got even better with smart cooking features. Connect it to your phone, choose a recipe, and let the pot do the rest. You'll have delicious meals without the hassle. It's a game changer in the kitchen. 5. Amazon Echo Show for smart home control. Next on our list is the Amazon Echo Show. It's not just a smart speaker, it's your home's control center. From adjusting lights to checking security cameras, this device does it all. The future is here, and it starts with the Echo Show. 6. UVC Light Sanitizer for gadgets. In today's world, hygiene is crucial. This UVC Light Sanitizer is perfect for keeping your gadgets germ-free. Simply place your phone, keys, or any small item inside, and let the UVC light zap away those pesky germs. A must-have for a healthy home. 7. Smart Mirror with Fitness Tracker. Looking to stay fit without heading to the gym? This smart mirror is your solution. It not only reflects your image, but also serves as a fitness tracker, guiding you through workouts. It's like having a personal trainer right in your living room. 8. Smart Sleep Aid Device. Say goodbye to restless nights with this smart sleep aid device. It analyzes your sleep patterns, providing personalized suggestions for a better night's sleep. It even has soothing sounds and aromatherapy to help you relax. Sweet dreams are just a click away. 9. Smart Home Brewery Kit. For all the beer enthusiasts out there, this one's for you. The Smart Home Brewery Kit lets you brew your own beer at home. It's a fun and rewarding experience, and you'll impress your friends with your custom brews. Cheers to innovation. 10. Smart Plant Care Assistant. Finally, let's talk about bringing a bit of nature indoors. The Smart Plant Care Assistant monitors your plant's needs, from watering to sunlight. Never worry about neglecting your leafy friends again. It's like having a green thumb with a technological twist. And there you have it, folks. 10 incredible home appliance gadgets that can truly transform your living space. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and share it with your friends who love tech as much as we do. Until next time, stay tuned for more exciting discoveries.